Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to build dashboards like Tableau and Power BI using Claude, then this is the video for you. Now let's go to the Claude. We'll expand the screen. I have already typed the prompt and get the result because it will take the video for very long. I want to keep the video short. So first we'll bring the data set into the Claude. So add files or photo, and from the download we can take any file. For example, I have taken Excel file from this. I have already taken, so I am just showing. Then when downloading, after taking the file, you can write the prompt like analyze this data set and suggest dashboard ideas with charts and KPI. Then the Claude AI will give you the response. Then again, if you want more response, more deep analysis, then you can create a structured dashboard plan with sections and insight. And after that, if you want to create a dashboard, you can write this also. If you want to create it directly, if you want to create the dashboard in Claude AI, using Claude, with the help of Claude, then create a dashboard for about dataset. Then Claude AI will give answers by saying how I created the dashboard. Then afterwards, here you can see, you can download the dashboard also. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard that Claude AI created for me. By giving simple prompts like create a dashboard for the about dataset, you can give a simple prompt. For example, I have given a simple prompt like this. For example, I can keep this dashboard here. I have given a simple create a dashboard for about dataset. I have already taken the dataset. If you are in a single chat, then you can say about dataset, or you have to bring a dataset into the chat, into the chat box. Hope you like this video. And